Okay, hi guys. So this is my friend Noel. Solving a 5x5. This is his little brother Oliver. He's a little crazy, so you shouldn't get too close to him. And today we're just gonna do a Rubik's Cube challenge. Like, up close. Just like a super up
Maybe you
close.
should start like a new channel called Jensen's Rubik's Cube Review.
I don't know how to do that.
Okay.
We're supposed to be doing a challenge here.
Okay, yeah.
Oliver, we need you to film.
Why? I was just having a nap.
We're doing a video, bro. Film us.
What's up, guys? And today I'm gonna be a pig.
You know the camera's not even facing you. Okay. No, I'll start that 5x5 so we can have a Rubik's Cube competition.
Oh man, I want to.
Come on, hurry up. We don't want the competition, mate.
The camera's not even facing you, mate.
But are you my bait?
Okay, I have to use like a chef's version of the Rubik's Cube.
Oh, you're gonna.
Okay.
That one's for later.
Okay, so.
Guys, you can race along with us too. Oh, which one can I take? Where
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Wait, he's filming?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Obviously. Okay, stay there. Man, I'm gonna be solving the pyramids here. Get down here, Noel.
Fine.
And we're just gonna have a challenge.
But you can't solve a pyramid. That's too easy.
Okay. Challenge starts in 3,
2, 1,
go.
go.
You have to do it slowly, Jensen. Because I'm barely.
But at least you can solve a 5x5. Unlike you.
Wait, I think you can. It's just gonna.
I'm done.
Jensen wins.
Let's go.
This time it's a 3x3 challenge.
But I was using a 3x3 the whole time.
Then-
So was I. I was using a 3x3 pyramids. Okay, but this time it's going to be 3x3 plus a 2x2.
Okay, that's fair enough. So we both get a 2x2.
And a 3x3.
So we have to solve the 3x3 first, and then we solve the 2x2.
Yeah.
And then 4x4 and then 5x5.
But Jensen doesn't know how to solve a 5x5.
Yeah.
How about make them?
Like
Yeah, instead of 2, you can have
can I solve a 4x4 and you solve your Mega Mix?
No.
What about the Noel solve a 5x5 and Jensen solves a Mega Mix?
Okay. So I'll solve 3x3 and the pyramids, you solve the 2x2s. Actually, no. I'll solve these.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
How
Okay. I hate white cloth. Come on. I feel like I'm gonna lose.
I hate finding edges. It's so annoying.
I know.
Oh, there it is.
Bro, are you just casually talking as you're solving? Because we're filming a video, man. Oh, fine. I guess you could say we're filming a video.
We're filming.
You said forming.
I did. Yeah, you did. I don't feel any.
Yeah, you're right. I think. But we still have to solve the 2x2, remember?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I completely forgot about that.
Okay.
Okay. Our 2x2 is broken. Oh, man.
Noel wins.
Okay, subscribe for part 2.
Okay, see you later.